Hello, hello, hello. Magkano? Hello, 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 hello. Okay. Hello, hello. So, how to answer or how to solve operation functions. So, operation function and composition. So, this example, so let f of x equals to 2x plus 1 and g of x equals to x squared minus 3. So, here we have a addition. So, addition. So, we have a f of x plus the g of x. So we need to add the function of x, okay, function of f, and then function of g. So here we have a 2x plus 1, okay, parenthesis, plus a x squared minus 3. So here we need to combine the like terms. So we have 2x and x squared, but hindi sila like terms, so we need to copy the x squared first. Next is the 2x. And then we have whole number, which is 1 and negative 3. So 1 plus negative 3 is 1 and negative 3 is negative 2. So this is the correct answer. Okay, this is the final answer. So next is subtraction. So we need to subtract. So f of x minus g of x. So we have a 2x plus 1, okay, and then minus 2x squared minus 3. So we have guide na for the addition. So in addition, di ba, we add, but here in subtraction we subtract. So we need to copy the x squared but it become a negative kasi nga minus. And then nasa second ano siya? Nasa subtrahend. Okay. So negative x squared and then copy the positive 2x. 1 minus negative 3 it become positive 4. Why? Because we have negative and then we have minus and then we have negative. So negative times negative is positive. So 1 plus 3 is positive 4. So this is the final answer. Okay. Next is the multiplication. So the multiplication is this is a we need to multiply. Okay. So we need to multiply the f of x times the g of x. So we will use a FOIL method. So we have a 2x plus 1 times x squared minus 3. So let's multiply. So 2x times x squared. So it become a 2x cubed. Next is 2x times negative 3. It become a negative 6x. And then next is 1 times x squared. It become a positive x squared. And then a 1 times negative 3. It become a negative 3. And then combine the like terms. So we have 2x cubed. Next by positive x squared. Then minus 6x. And then minus 3. So that's the final answer na. Because we need to list in a highest to lowest. Okay, next is division. So we need to divide. So f of x divided by g of x. So substitute. So our f of x is 2x plus 1 over x squared minus 3. Okay, so we can divide this because yung denominator natin is hindi siya pwede ma-divide. Ay, yung numerator natin is hindi pwede ma-divide. So that's the final answer na. Okay, next is the composition. So the composition is we have f composition of g of x equals to f function of g of x. So first, list muna natin yung function ni f of x. So what is the function of the f of x? So the function of f of x is function niya ulit is 2x. So we have 2x plus 1. Then after nyan, the g of x, which is 2 times x squared minus 3 plus 1. And then distribute. So 2x square, and then 2 times negative 3 is negative 6, and then plus 1. So we have 2x square minus 6, negative 6 plus 1 is negative 5. So we have 2x squared minus 5. And then yung final answer. Next, G composition of f of x. So, first natin yung g of x. So, the g of x is x squared minus 3. And then later on, we need to substitute the x for the f of x. The f of x is 2x plus 1 square minus 3. So again, you can use a shortcut method here. So we have a shortcut method is the 2x square. Next is the 2x times 2 times 1. Okay, next is the 1 square. So 2x square, it become a 4x square. Next is 2 times 2. 2x times 2 is 4x times 1 is still 4x. And then 1 square is positive 1. Then minus 3. So simplify, we have 4x squared plus 4x minus 2. So that's the final answer na. So again, this is the shortcut lang. Okay, but if you don't know how to solve shortcut, you can use FOIL method. So again, this is the 4x squared, this is the 4x, this is the 1. So that's the lesson for today. So next tutorial or next lesson, yeah, I will send it, or if I have free time. So again, how about if x is given? So let's say I put here a 2. Okay. So additional information. So 2. So you can distribute first if you want. Okay, if you have own method, go, pwede yun. But if walang method, pwede nyo i-follow to make it sure. So again, x equals to 2, right? So you need to substitute. So it become 2 times 2 here and then minus 2. So 2 square is 4 plus 2 times 2 is 4 again. So 4 plus 4 is 8 and then minus 2 is 6. So the answer is 6. If you have this. Okay, if you have this. But if not, this is the correct answer. But if have, this is the correct answer. So you need to substitute lang. Ganyan lang yung technique na. Is-substitute lang dun sa pinaka last na para at least sure. Okay, so I hope you understand this. Thank you.